Here's a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Edmunds.com calls this Mercedes C-Class Coupe a solid contender with strong and smooth engines, terrific handling, and superb fit and finish. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.